everyone, we've come to Arnprior farm today to go to the pumpkin patch. We do it every year.
I can't wait to do my dog. I'm going to put on it. I might take 2 pumpkins.
What do you mean? Oh, like your design?
Yeah,
Right, okay.
do like a witch or something. I have a great idea. I'm going to do like a pug or something.
That's a good idea. But did Daddy not do a French Bulldog last year?
Yeah.
Yeah, go on Charlie, what are you going to say?
It's probably like a cat. Coming out the pumpkin patch.
Oh, that's nice. Are you going to get a milkshake or a hot chocolate, or what are you going to get?
I'm going to get a toy after if I do a good job.
There's always really good toys. So we've come today.
And
It's actually a bit over.
TY toys. They do TY toys, and I love the bat. I got it last year.
Yeah.
On it.
People are excited, I think.
Let's see if we do this on it.
I'm in full gear. I've got my wee hat and all that on, ready for it.
The hat looks nice on you.
Thanks very much. We are going to go just now. We've just got parked. We're actually really far away from the usual car park, but I think it'll be good for getting out again. So we're here for 2 hours. We're going to get some food, pick some pumpkins, and we'll take you along for it. The wheelbarrows are for when you're finished, and you can leave them there when you bring them back to your car.
Oh. Wait. I'm gonna get hit there. Wait, it's an echo. Dogs don't like cold.
I'm feeling kinda lost when your mind is hiding whatever that is choking your chest. I can see it in your eyes that you're shaking, cause you're holding it back.
It's probably like a bicycle.
There's so many good toys actually, isn't there?
Yeah, it's like TY toys. I quite like them.
I love that. I love how everything's like, you've got wee ones that are only like $3.50 and stuff, so that they can have a bit of everything.
So lucky we're getting a toy for $0.
They're not $0 and they're £3. Crazy boy. Is that the one you've got from last year, Ella? The wee bat one? This one here? Did you have that one? It's very similar, isn't it?
Yeah, I had that one. Where's Daddy?
He's away to get me a coffee.
I had the exact one. Oh,
Careful.
maybe we can. Emma has that bat. Ella, you have this bat.
Right, do you know what we're going to do first though? We're going to go and see all the pumpkins, pick our pumpkins, and then we'll come back to all the toys, okay? See?
That looks like.
Baby, you'll make up your mind. Now I'm here by your side. So let it all out of me. Let it all out of me. Oh, I will hold you in the dark, make you forget about what's wrong. Let it all out of me. Let it all out of me. You won't get closer to me. If you want, open your door. If that's what you want, then baby, try to believe me when I say that you can tell me anything. I can see it in your eyes that you're shaking, cause you're holding it back. Baby, you'll make up your mind. Now I'm here by your side. So let it all out of me. Let it all out of me. Oh, I will hold you in the dark, make you forget about what's wrong. Let it all out of me. I can see it in your eyes that you're shaking, cause you're holding it back.
I love that one. Like this one.
Baby,
love that one.
you'll make
That's a
up
good
your
one.
mind. Now I'm here by your side.
Oh no, careful, don't slip.
Let it all out of me. Let it all out of me. Oh, I will hold you in the dark.
What are you going to get your face painted like?
I'm gonna be a dog. I'm gonna be like a wee. I'm gonna be the Flash.
Maybe Flash.
I'm gonna.
Good boy. Let's see you. Do you want to look at it?
Yeah.
Lick your teeth. You got black teeth. Ready to see it? 1, 2, 3. Ta-da!
I'm flat.
I love it. My face all chocolate from our churros. Do you love your face painting?
Yeah.
Let me see how fast you can run. Daddy's picking cakes. You want one? Go pick one. So these are gorgeous, aren't they? Just come up in a wee minute and these are for you.
That's great, thanks very much. Cheers.
Hold tight, my love, we got this one right. And if they ask us where we've been hiding,
Have a good time, Ella?
Yeah.
Yeah? What was your favourite part?
When we got our face painted.
Really?
Wish I could put my wrapper.
Give it me and I'll put it in my pocket. Right, that slime,
Yeah.
please do not
Get it on your carpet.
get it on the carpet, or in your hair, or in the car, or anywhere. Oh! Wait, why don't you do it when we get up the road? Just do it like that now.
I feel that. Feel
Oh, I
that
don't want to.
jiggling.
Ooh. So we're just heading home now. I picked up this wee bow for Ella. How nice is that? It's from a company called Bra Masks. And they did a mask for me last year. But how cute is that? It was $3.75. So I picked that up and then we're going to go back to the car. Come in, Ella. Let's go.
made for you.